In this video, I want to talk about how you can affiliate on Shopify. Now, this is actually pretty easy, guys. What you want to do is head over to shopify.com/affiliate, or you can just Google it here. And once you're on here, you want to press apply now. Then what you want to do is simply sign up here. It's going to take about 5 minutes. And after you've completely signed up, you'll have access to the affiliate dashboard. In there, you should get a referral link, which is a unique link that if anybody uses this and signs up, then you're gonna get the referral. So that is basically how that works, guys. You can read more about it inside of the resources, and you can see here how it works. So you'll have two ways. You'll have for the Shopify plan referrals, and you'll have for the pro ones. So that is how this works, guys. You can see it here about all the technical stuff, like when you're getting paid and all this, but that is simply how you do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.